To apply a coupon on Shein, start by logging into your account on the Shein website or mobile application. If you do not have an account, create one by providing the required information such as your email address and password. Once you are logged in, browse through the various categories and select the items you wish to purchase. Add these items to your shopping cart by clicking the Add to Cart button. After adding all the items you want to purchase, click on the shopping cart icon to view your cart. On the shopping cart page, you will see a list of all the items you have added, along with their prices and quantities. Below the list of items, you will see a field that says Apply Coupon. Click on this field and enter your coupon code. Ensure that you enter the code correctly, as any mistake will prevent the coupon from being applied. After entering the coupon code, click the Apply button. If the coupon is valid, the discount will be deducted from your total amount. You can then proceed to checkout by clicking the Checkout button. On the checkout page, you will be required to provide your shipping address and payment details. Ensure that you fill in all the required information correctly, as any mistake may cause delays in the delivery of your order. Finally, click the Place Order button to complete your purchase. You will receive a confirmation email with the details of your order, including the total amount paid and the estimated delivery time. It is essential to note that coupons on Shein have expiration dates and usage limits. Therefore, ensure that you use your coupon before it expires and check the usage limits to avoid any inconvenience. By following these steps, you can easily apply a coupon on Shein and enjoy discounts on your purchases. Always ensure that you read and understand the terms and conditions of the coupon before applying it to avoid any issues.